Hi, I'm a teen.
Hi, I'm Amelia.
Oh, now half of my body feels. Oh man.
You are such a scaredy cat.
Wait, I think you got rid of my hiccups.
That it?
Oh my God, you scared them away.
Finally.
Finally,
Those
it's been like 2 days.
It's actually been 2 months.
Oh yeah. Well, time goes so slow. Oh man.
Darn it. Those hiccups have been driving me nuts.
Yeah, me too. So what can I do?
I don't know. Have a cup of water. Here.
Cup of water? You think it'll help?
It's a cup of water.
Do you really think it's gonna help?
Just try it. Is it like you're gonna die when you drink water? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stop drinking now. You can stop drinking now. Didn't work. Try holding your breath for at least 15 seconds.
I can only do 1 second.
Just do it.
Oh my God! Woo!
Did it work?
Nope.
That.
Here's a good idea. I have to stand on my head, hold my breath for 5 seconds, if I can, and plug my ears. Woo! This is really hard.
Are you okay up there? Did that work? Okay, I don't want to know. I already know that. Okay. Oh my gosh. I have an idea. Maybe I can touch you.
No! Oh!